प्लीज़ क्लोज़ योर आइज़। अपनी आँखें बंद कर लीजिए और सारा फोकस अपने 2 आईब्रोज़ के बीच में लाइए। ब्रिंग ऑल योर फोकस between the 2 eyebrows and now take few deep long breaths। लंबी सांसें लीजिए आराम से। Breathe in and breathe out। Breathe in, breathe out। Breathe in, breathe out। Feel the peace around you। Leave your body completely relaxed। अपने आसपास परम शांति महसूस कीजिए और अपने शरीर को संपूर्ण तरीके से पूरा ढीला छोड़ दीजिए। Just relax, just relax। Let all the stress, all the negativity, all the pain, all the toxins, all the anxiety, the negative thoughts go out as you breathe out। सारे बुरे विचार, सारी चिंताएं, सारी नकारात्मक सोच, सारा दर्द, तकलीफ़, चिंता, सब कुछ बाहर निकाल दीजिए जैसे ही आप सांस छोड़ते हैं। And as you breathe in new hopes, new life, new aspiration, completely healed body, fresh new perspective, loads of energy, zeal, enthusiasm, fresh new ideas to do something new, have that hopes, aspirations, dreams, visualizations, everything exciting in your life। जैसे ही आप लंबी सांस अंदर लेते हैं, सोचिए कि सब कुछ सही हो रहा है। आपकी सोच, आपके विचार नए हैं, अच्छे हैं, पॉजिटिव है। नई आशाएं, नई उम्मीद, कंप्लीटली हील्ड बॉडी। आप संपूर्ण तरीके से अच्छे हो गए हो और सब कुछ अच्छा जा रहा है और आपको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आप में इतनी एनर्जी है, स्फूर्ति है और आप सब अच्छा नया करना चाहते हैं। And now surrender yourself to the universe and imagine a beautiful, bright, golden light coming from the universe to heal you. It is a healing light, a shower of healing light falling on your entire body and and now it's seeping in from your head. That is your crown chakra. It is seeping inside, going to your forehead, to the middle of your eyebrows, slowly seeping down to your eyes, ears, nose, mouth, neck, jawline, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your lungs, your liver, your stomach, and all your gut and the entire digestive system in your body, your arms, your hands, your fingers, everywhere the light is slowly seeping in and removing all the ailments, all the pain, all the trauma, all the tiredness, the fatigue, whatever is bothering you, it is smoothing out each and everything, and that golden light has so much power that it is burning out all the negativity from your body now. It is rejuvenating new cells in your body and giving you new life and new energy as you continue the deep breathing process of breathing in and breathing out in complete faith and surrender. You have surrendered your entire body to the universe, to this healing process, and this bright golden light is taking over all the ailments in your body and slowly burning it out completely now and forever. Now you proceed ahead to your hip, your pelvic bone, and going down to your thighs, your knees. It is healing away all the problems you have in your joints, your hip, your knees. They are healing completely. The cartilage that is rubbed off is slowly forming back and making it a beautiful cushion for you to walk smoothly with your knees. You can bend, you can slowly sit down, you can walk for hours without any pain or discomfort. Slowly, the light moves towards your calves, relaxing all the muscles, all the tension, and making you feel light and beautiful. You are feeling the youthful energy you felt when you were 12 years old. The light moves towards your ankles and your foot, and you allow the light to heal your foot, and you feel completely relaxed and totally calm, peaceful, light, light as a feather, and all the ailments, all the pain, all the negativity, the toxins, everything that was holding you back has been lifted now and forever. And you are asking this question, how did it happen so suddenly? How am I healed so fast? This is a miracle. How did this miracle happen with me? And you are smiling and expressing your gratitude to God and towards the universe, which has made it possible so suddenly, so fast, and unbelievably. You are healed completely from inside out. Your soul is feeling completely calm. Your mind is feeling completely calm and relaxed. There are no negative thoughts flowing in, and you suddenly wonder, how am I thinking so positive? And how have I become so faithful and positive in my life? Your body is completely relaxed, pain-free, and calm and peaceful, and energy flows through your body in a beautiful way, and this glowing golden light is flowing from your crown chakra, top of your head to your feet, and from your feet it's going towards your head, and as it keeps moving up and down, it heals you completely. And you are grateful for this process, and you are grateful to the universe for being completely healed, calm, and relaxed. Be in that state, be joyful, just relax and keep the breathing process going. Deep, peaceful breaths in and out. Believe that this bright golden light has healed you completely. Smile and say thank you to God and universe for doing this. And now slowly try to bring yourself back into the world with complete faith and pure positive energy flowing in your body, which is helping you carry out the day-to-day processes with ease and happiness. Thank you.